What's up and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to convert a PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to JPG. If you're wondering how to convert PDF to JPG, keep on watching the video, or PDF to JPEG as few people call it. And this website doesn't, as it's going to be an online process, even if you want to convert PDF to JPG on Mac, that is not going to be a problem. And reversely, we will also see how to convert a JPG to PDF. Let's get quickly started. The website that I'm going to use is conversio.co. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. First things first, we'll see how to convert a PDF to PowerPoint, and this is without Office 365. Just choose the file, just choose the PDF that you want to go ahead with and click on open. Once your file has been uploaded, it's going to give you a drop down wherein you can select the drop down, go on the presentation mode over here and simply click on PPT. PPT is nothing but the short form for PowerPoint. Click on convert. It will take some time to process and it is converting right now. Once it is converted, you can click on the download button and you will have your PDF into a PPT as in a PowerPoint format. Just to confirm, I'm going to show you how does it look. Here it is. Once you click on enable editing, you'll have the editable version online. To check out the video for PDF to JPG conversion, check out the description box below. There's a link provided, or you can simply click on the video that appears right now. If you find the particular video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you the next time.